Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about major crops, rice, wheat, maize, and cotton, coffee, tea. About them, we have discussed. Today, we are going to discuss about development in agriculture or agricultural development. Agricultural development means what are the way by which we are producing more crops on our farm, on our patch of land. In modern agriculture, mostly people are plugging their farm by using tractor. They are not using bullocks for cultivation. In very remote area, the people are using bullocks for cultivation, or they are using traditional equipments and traditional way of cultivation. But in our country, after Green Revolution, there is a much development, and people or farmers are using high yielding varieties of seeds, chemical fertilizers, and good facility of irrigation, pesticides, insecticides to save their crops from the insect, and they are producing more. In previous years, before 30 to 35 years, there was a scarcity of the things, of the irrigation facility, of the tractor. But in present time, our farmers are prosperous. Some farmers are poor because they do not have sufficient land, and they do substantial agriculture for their livelihood only. They do not produce the crops for selling in the market because their income status is not so good. But there is a good development in the area of agriculture, and many canals are available for irrigation by the government, and also there are many cooperative societies which are helping in the agricultural production. They are providing knowledge about the agriculture, and many government related offices are there which are providing the equipments for using in agriculture. In this way, if we see in our country, there is a much development in the area of agriculture. The next topic is about our country's farmers. It is farm in India. In India, how farmers are cultivating their land, how much land they have, which type of facility is there for their irrigation, for other equipments. Here one case study of our country, it is given in Uttar Pradesh, in Gazipur district. One village is there, Adilabad, and one farmer is living there. His name is Munna Lal, and he have 1.5 hectare of land, and he is using high yielding varieties of seeds, chemical fertilizers. Also for plugging his land, he hire tractor on rent and he cultivate, and for irrigation he purchase water on rent, and he irrigate his farm, and also he had 2 buffalo and also hen, and he is selling the milk of his buffalo also. This is the condition of our Indian farmer. Many friends of Munna Lal in present time also, they are using traditional way of cultivation. Munna Lal get the seeds from the cooperative societies, and also he take advices of the government officers. In this way he is cultivating. This is the shape, this is the condition of our Indian farmer. The next topic about which we are going to study, it is a farm in the USA. We have studied about farm in India, what was the condition, how much land he had. But now when we compare Indian farmer with USA farmer, there is a very great difference. The average size of the farm in USA is 250 hectare. It is average size of the farm, and in our country it was 1.5 hectare of the Munna Lal. Here in that farm, mostly at first they check the soil, they check the water availability, the area in which they grow, the irrigation facility sufficient or not, about that they make sure. And they mostly grow corn, soybean, wheat, cotton, sugar beet, these all they grow. And they do cultivation on commercial basis, and also the government provide them too much help, and they can compete any market of the world for selling their harvest which they produce. The name of farmer which is given here is Zoe Huron, and he has 300 hectare of area for cultivation, and he use very huge machine for cultivation also and for harvesting also. He use combined harvester, means in one machine many machines remain, and they do work very fast. And also the area in which he do cultivation, that area can be seen on internet. He see every area on net by sitting inside his house, which is there in his farm. In this way, the production is very large, the area is very large, and they are advanced country, and they are using latest technology for harvesting, for taking care of soil, which type of soil is there. They take care of these all things, and they produce in large scale everything for commercial basis.